Alrighty, so hope you guys can hear me pretty well. I'm using my tripod today. Oh, okay, there we go. So right now I'm about to go downstairs to our little barracks area because they have dogs. Now, if you don't know me, which you should because you're on the channel, I love dogs. I prefer dogs over any other animal besides, well, sharks. And they look like they're about to close, and I hope not. So, actually, you can see it from here. Actually, clarity actually looks pretty bad, but I'm hoping that they're still down there. So they're down there with doggies, and I'm hoping that I see the German Shepherd again. What's up? Because I'm a big German Shepherd person, just a Shepherd person overall, if push came to shove, I want a German Shepherd, a Corgi, an Aussie, but that's subjective. I'm just a big dog person, so I'm always down for the doggies. I spent the majority of my first command volunteering at Valley Animal Haven for years, and I have no regrets about it. I love that place. Nonprofit, no kill, great. On to the doggies. Hope they're still there. Oh, it's the USO that's hosting it. And y'all already know how I feel about the USO, so it's lit. People probably looking at me like, what is she doing? Hope this doesn't get copyrighted because they have music going on right now, so F it. Here we go. What's up? No, I had to come down here.
Nice.
I'm a big German Shepherd person. Hi. Hi. He's just like, I have the ball. This is all I'm concerned about right now.
Yep, pretty much.
Hi.
Good girl.
Hi. Yeah, you're so good. Yes, you are. Yes. 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 You're so cute. Yes, you are. And your fur is real. You need a shave. Need a brush. Yeah.
This is Athena.
Is it?
Athena.
My name's Athena.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, that's so funny.
Well, Athena meet Athena. I call her Tina for short. I don't know if I've ever called Tina.
Yes. Well, if they have an accent for the most part, but that's crazy.
Yeah.
It was meant to be.
Yes.
Oh, were you guys the first ones out here today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I just didn't know like what was going on. Yeah. He's from my command and stuff, so he told me about it today, and I was like, I'm always down for the doggies. Yeah.
We can make this like a quarterly event or something like that.
Listen, that would be incredibly amazing.
Can I back to the stage?
I have a pet Cinnabon. I have a pet snake. His name is Cinnabon. Yeah.
Does he curl up a lot?
Yeah. For the most part, yeah. And I had a rabbit before, but I had to give him away.
Yeah.
But growing up, I always had a German Shepherd, or I always had a dog and a cat.
Yeah.
So I'm a big sucker for Shepherd dogs and stuff like that.
And we always had like mutts growing up. I honestly did not really do like spy breeds until I was older. I got her at the shelter, but
Okay.
like I didn't know that. And so anyway, I just got really lucky with her. Like,
Yeah.
she's been the best dog ever. When I saw she was there, and whenever I got my second dog, I had another German Shepherd too. And he's like loves her, hates other dogs.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, where you going? No love.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh yeah, probably. But
She's a little ball crazy.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna.
Okay.
So she doesn't. Autumn, get back here.
Ready?
You never like balls.
aww.
Sorry, bad throw.
So fast. Autumn, come here.
Otto.
She's so gorgeous.
Yeah, but she gets small, like, not aggressive, but she wants the...
Yeah, she's out.
Hi. Hi.
She's so soft.
Woo.
Yeah, she is.
Hi, you're so cute. No,
She's over there playing.
No, she went crazy over the strawberry. I literally hid it from her, and she does not forget. She literally did not get off me for like 15 minutes, just like trying to get underneath her.
No, that's not your water.
Woo. You're so cute and happy. I wish I could be like that. Mm-hmm. Got boogies in your eye.
Can you have it? Yeah. You gotta sit. Oh, boy, so gentle.
Hi.
That's what my kids are.
Hi.
Yeah. He's like the most gentle. I give him popcorn if I have popcorn.
That one over there. Can Ada have?
Just
She makes the same. Or her tummy is messed up. Hey, Otto. Make a fist and tell him. Okay.
Auto sit.
How you doing? Yeah, just down.
So you guys just like volunteered your dogs personally?
Yeah. They just like Canine Cuddles, let service members
Okay.
cuddle your dogs.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that because you're so cute. Yes, you are. Yeah, in my first command for like the first like 3 years, I volunteered at this animal shelter, Valley Animal Haven, and it just like increased my love for dogs and made me like learn a different insight on mutts that are some of them aren't even actually mutts, some of them are like purebreds. Like they would get like German Shepherds and Huskies a lot because people realized how much work it actually took to have them. So it was actually really sad sometimes.
Yeah, my other shepherd, I got him when he was 7. And he did Schutzen, which is like that he's a sport dog, so he worked a lot. And then they just stopped working him and he got really aggressive, and so they couldn't handle him, so they gave him to me, and he loves her, and it just worked out.
Hey, it makes it worth it.
Yeah, exactly. They bring me so much joy. And like give me a purpose too, you know?
Yeah, and I've been wanting a dog since I've been in the Navy, but sadly our lifestyle doesn't really contribute to keeping dogs for X amount of time.
It's unfortunate.
He's so cute, yes.